So this is a review on the DREO portable heater. It is good for work. It's just kind of the perfect size. Fits well like underneath a desk, or even I just keep it on top of my desk. These are the functions. So there's the power, that's timer, obviously to oscillate, and then those are temperature settings. So when you turn it off, it counts down from 30. I think that's just a cool down before it finally turns off. That is on. That's the highest power. That's the lowest. The middle. And if you just want to have just the degrees at a certain temperature, it goes. The lowest it will go, let's see, $41, and that is still pretty hot. It may take a while for it to cool down. It's getting cooler now. And the highest, so there it just shut off, but let's see. Highest it goes is 95. So there it just turned back on. You can have it on for up to 12 hours. The one thing is, so if it tips over, it will shut down that way. It just has like this back here, and I think when that gets low, then that shuts it off. Let's So as you can see there, it was tipped over, so it's erroring. So that'll start to turn it off. So I ordered the warehouse version, so mine did not come with a remote control, which I was totally fine with. I didn't feel like I really needed that. But if you're someone that does want the remote control, then maybe you want to order the new one.
It's a little bit noisy, but it really works well. This is the DREO heater, and you can see the buttons up top. And that goes on to 2 and 3. And as you can see, this heat is really coming out, and it's perfect for this size of a bathroom. You can see I have just a small park model, and this is just perfect for it. It works out really well. I highly recommend.
I put this by my desk, and for the little tiny thing that it is, as you can see, it doesn't make very much noise, but it puts some serious heat out. I love it.